So this is the 40,000 subscriber giveaway announcement. The 6 winners will be announced shortly. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Wendy here from Toonpish Crafts and I hope you're doing okay. So this is the 40,000 subscriber giveaway announcement. The 6 winners will be announced shortly. Thank you so much for everyone that put a comment underneath last week's video. It was the snake pendant and I really love it. But I had so many, so wonderful, absolutely amazing comments. I have read every single one of them. I couldn't answer them all. There was over 700. I just couldn't get to answer them. I did answer a few, but not many. And I just want to say thank you so much for the wonderful words and comments that you put under this video. That video. So I'm going to use a random comment generator to generate 6 winners. If your name is on the screen shortly, then you are one of the 6 winners. Please email me at toonpish_crafts@outlook.com. That's toonpish_crafts@outlook.com. Please email me. Let me know your name, your contact details and your handle, which is what I will see on the screen. So without further ado, let's see who the 6 winners are. Congratulations to the 6 winners. Please contact me in the next week and let me know your details and I will get straight back to you and organise your giveaway items. Thank you so much to Let's Resin and to the Tiny Turner, that's Emma at the Tiny Turner, for donating some wonderful items for the giveaway. Thank you so much again. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.